Conversation in English from everyday life. Family vacation. Where do you want to go on vacation this year?
I've been looking at a few options.
What have you narrowed it down to?
I think we should go somewhere in the east.
We have seen quite a bit of Europe and the United States already, so that is a good idea.
Is there a specific place in Asia that you want to visit?
I've always wanted to visit Thailand.
I think we should try to visit more than one place at once.
We could probably try to see some of Vietnam or Laos.
Do you already know where you want to go in those places?
I have a few ideas. What about you?
I really want to see some of the Thai temples.
There are a lot of monuments and historic places in Asia.
We'd better do a little research to find out the must-see places over there.
Do you want to go to Bangkok or some smaller town?
It would be a shame to go to Thailand and not see their capital.
Do you want to bring the kids in on our discussion?
I think it would be good to have their input.
They always have their own opinions about what they want to see, and I like that.
Mostly they want to go shopping for different clothes. At the market. Wow! What a nice market. It looks like they have everything here.
They have just about everything you can think of. This is my favorite place to shop for fresh produce.
There are vegetables, meat, food, and even some clothing here. I have never seen anything like it.
After the renovation, they made space for even more vendors than before.
I want to take a look around. Do you know where you want to go already?
All I need today are some fruits.
Where's the best stall for vegetables?
I'll take you to my favorite vendor. He is here on the left.
The vegetables here look amazing. What is the price of the tomatoes?
I am selling them at $5 per kilo.
That's not bad. I have a bag so that I can choose which ones I want.
You will find plastic bags next to all the vegetables. When you are finished, just come to the register and I will weigh them for you.
That sounds simple enough. Is there also a scale out here so that I can weigh them before I come to you to pay?
Just to the right of the cabbages there, you can weigh your produce.
I will take the tomatoes, parsnip, celery root, and beets.
You have 700 g parsnip at $3 per kilo, 500 g celery root at $4 per kilo, 300 G beets at $2.25, and 400 G tomatoes.
The prices here are unbeatable.
I'm sure I will be back again soon.
Let's go over by the fruits. After all, that's what we are really here for.
Oh yes, I forgot. Look at the variety. There are so many to choose from.
They have tropical fruits like pineapple, bananas, and mangoes.
There are many things you can't normally find at the grocery store.
I love passion fruit. I will add a few of those to my basket. How are they selling anyway?
There are many things you can't normally. I think they are fairly reasonable, considering they have to come from so far away. The sign says $4.50 per kilo. Find at the grocery store.
Let's get enough for a couple of days and we could always return for more.